Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be a very simple video. Okay, in this video or in this episode part 2 of my mini editing series, I'm going to show you how to brighten these beautiful eyes right here. With this action, you can use it to brighten the eyes or the teeth as well. So all you need to do, simple, less than 2 minutes. All you need to do is come down right here, click the curves adjustment layer. All you need to do is brighten all try to brighten the whole image up by by simply doing this, by raising the curve up like that. That's all you need to do. And then once you're done, go back to your layers panel. Then the magic comes in. You need to invert this image because currently it brightens the whole overall image. So all you need to do is hide the image, or all inverted. So Control I, and boom, everything is gone. So now once you are here, all you need to do is pick your soft brush, pick an eye, and brush away. The idea is to be subtle, just like that. All you need to do is, cause what you're trying to avoid is making the eyes look unnatural. So we are not going to remove anything. All we need to do is just add a little bit of brightness within the white area of the eye, just to make it pop or make it stand out. So you might not notice a lot of changes because I'm using a flow of one. So let's quickly look at the before and after. Before and after. It's simple, subtle, but it works. All what you can do, if you notice that you do not see a lot of changes because we already at our maximum opacity here, you can just increase the flow. Let's just, it was just tiny. I think let's go to a mere 5 because we do not want to overpower anything, and we do not want to make her eyes look all unnatural. So pick change your flow to 5 and brush away just like that. And you can see, always make those small adjustments with the brushes to make sure that all areas are covered. You do not want to go in and brush everything out. The idea is to make these areas right here pop. Let's just quickly zoom out and then go to the other eye. Zoom that in. That's too much. Almost looked into the future. Okay, just like that. This action is very simple. You can do it. I would classify this as a beginner tutorial. So for anyone who just wants a simple whitening action or whitening thing, you can just do that. All you need to do, curves, invent it, white brush, and brush away. As simple as that. Let's see. That's the before and that's the after. Just look at how amazing that looks like. Okay, let's zoom out and then we can nicely see everything. That's the before and that's the after. Simple and short. That's how you want it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's hit the subscribe button, like, comment. Let's get moving. In the next tutorial, I'll see what I'm going to show you. But with this action, with this curves, you can use this to whiten the teeth or just brighten the eyes. It all depends on what you want to do. Simple and sweet, as short as a miniskirt. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.